Now that we have run through all the different kinds of settings, it's time to take a closer look at the dashboard and all of its contents. If we go to the left-hand menu and go to the My Contents tab at the left-hand menu all the way at the bottom, you will see that you will have three different kinds of tabs. You will have My Mini Apps, where you will be able to create a mini app and create it for free, or you can even create a paid mini app. You will be able to create a bot template. If we go to the next tab, My Bot Templates will enable you to install any kind of templates that you created or installed from other parties. And this will allow you to set a new chatbot up really quickly. If we go over to the email templates, it will allow you to create an email template that you can use directly inside of your chatbot. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into each individual section to give you a clear indication of what the possibilities are with these three different kinds of features.